Feng Shui expert Joy Lim shared the potential the year of the wooden snake holds for Catherine Bernardo and other Kapamilya stars. In a previous article, forecasts of the zodiac signs for Chinese New Year 2025 were revealed. 12 different animals represent a 12-year Chinese zodiac calendar cycle, and the order is rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Feng Shui expert Joy Lim, during her interview on the TFC show Barangay, shared some of her forecasts for famous Kapamilya stars. For Catherine Bernardo, the movie superstar may find love this year, but she should be cautious but financially, this is the year for her. The Feng Shui expert warned, baka may mga pwede pang pumasok na iba pang mga love life. Sabi ko nga, don't easily trust, yun yung mga kailangan sa kanya. Coco Martin, as someone from the year of the rooster, is going to receive continuous, but he has to take care of his health. The lead star of And the Breadwinner is Vice Ganda is going to have a mixed year similar to the unpredictable nature of the year of the dragon. Fire and wood, medyo may konting ganun kasi kahoy, susunugan. Though, mas powerful siya kesa sa wood. Draining siya, pag-caffeine niya, tuloy-tuloy yun, Lim explained. Bunny member Joanna, someone from the year of the monkey, is going to have a favorable year. This is going to be a lucky year for her as the monkey is a snake's secret friend. Generally speaking, this year accordingly, is going to be a good year financially, but everyone must pay more attention to their health. There will also be natural disasters. She also suggests any form of jade gemstone is a must-have to attract luck and to wear jewelry pieces as it is a source of wealth.